We divide 477 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. So now we put down this 7 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting it is 1. Again we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting it is 1. So now this one is less than 2 and there is no other numbers to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 477 divided by 2 is 238 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.